Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Mercury Marauder R-Code with the 427 FE motor with dual quads and 425 horsepower, of which Mercury only made approximately 42 in 1964 with this engine. And they all came with the 4-speed, the R-Code cars. This one, if you look closely, you'll notice that the owner upgraded it to a 5-speed to help the highway cruising, I guess. But this one had the Monterey trim, which was the basic one. And just a plain Marauder without the R-Code engine is pretty rare in itself. They only made 8,760 of them in 64. And this one being the R-Code, like I mentioned, makes it even rarer. And it had the two-tone interior, the red and the black, to match the black exterior, and some added wheels, and all the Marauder trim, and of course the big gun under the hood there, the R-Code 427 FE motor with 425 horsepower. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And I only saw it the one time, and thank God I was able to film it when I did, because I never saw it again. It was one and done, which a lot of these nice cars are. You see them one time and you never see them again, especially at a car cruise. It's different at a show because you might get another second chance to see it. But you got to film them when you see them, that's for sure. But this one was a beauty, being black too. I don't know what the breakdown is on the black ones. I'm sure you're probably down to single digits as far as rarity goes. But these were definitely rare cars, no matter how you slice it. They were the first generation of the Mercury Marauder, which came out in 1963 and went through 1965. The first year, 63, they had the S55, was the high performance one. And it came out in mid 63, a 63 and a half model, with the new sports models from Ford, with the like the Galaxy 500 with the fastback roof for NASCAR racing. And those they made 3,863 in 1963. And then in 64 they came out the Marauder. You can get it on you can get it with the base Monterey trim, which is what this one is, or the Montclair, the mid-level, and also the top of the line Park Lane interior was available. And surprisingly, you could still get them as a 4-door too, so that was kind of weird. But they dropped the S55 package for 64, so you can get the they came with the 390 engine, was standard, the Thunderbird 390 6.4 liter, and optional was the 427 with the 4-barrel, the Q code I think it was, and then the R code was the Super Marauder, which is what this one is, with the dual quads, the twin 4-barrel carburetors. And it was mandatory with the 427. You had to have the 4-speed transmission, which is what this one started out with. But like I said, the owner upgraded it to a 5-speed. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Mercury Monterey Marauder with the 427 R-Code engine with 425 horsepower and the dual quads, which I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have any, I would appreciate it. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.